story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, remote start, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, remote engine start, Bluetooth. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.